Hola! So, yet another birthday during this pandemic, and I hope you all are doing well and are safe. Well, here I have noted down 23 lessons that I learned till the age of 23. So, let's begin. So, the first is self love. Self love is something so very important, and the moment when I indulged into self love, everything around me, inside out me, everything changed. The next one is not to hold grudges and forgive people. It's okay, everyone makes mistakes, and forgiving people will only make you feel lighter from the emotions that is weighing you down. Number three is to learn various skills. So, even if it doesn't seem useful right now, you never know when a particular skill might benefit you in the future. And oh, by the way, I'm currently learning how to play a ukulele. Number four is something that came to me the hard way, which is learning to say no. So oftentimes we are so used to saying yes, yes to people and pleasing others that we almost forget that what we actually need. And I'm so done with people pleasing. So number five is something that I learned I realized during the COVID times, that is to express love to our loved ones. So what's the use of regretting when the person is no more in your life? So it's always better to express your love to your loved ones and let them know how important they are and how much they matter to you in their lives. Moving on to number six is to be your authentic self, as it feels so damn liberating, and you know what, life is too short to keep impressing the society. Number seven, which I learned, was mistakes are much better than regrets. So I do the things I do, I make the decisions not because it is guaranteed, but because I do not want to look back and regret. So the next thing that I realized and I do on a daily basis is spending time alone, at least an hour for myself. So the purpose of doing this is for self-awareness and to reflect upon your thoughts. So this could either be by journaling, by meditating, or brisk walk, or anything for that matter. So the next thing that I realized was to move on, and nothing lasts, not even the good, not even the bad. And we are temporary beings in this temporary play of life, and which brings me to the next lesson of detachment. This might at first sound a negative word, but it is actually not a negative word. Practicing detachment gives you a heightened perspective towards a serene and a fulfilled life. So the next thing that I learned or realized was to never be afraid to try out something new. If it's coming out from your heart, if it's making you feel alive, then go for it. Take a leap, because the universe has your back. So the next thing that I learned was to practice gratitude. Also, I've mentioned this in my previous video, and the more I started being grateful, the more I appreciated life and was much happy. The next one that I learned was to recognize our true relationships and our people. So the only relationships that are worth having in our lives are the ones that make us the best versions of ourselves and not the worst. Moving on to number 14 is something which my principal told me in 10th standard, and she told us that no amount of work is much greater at the cost of your health. So the next thing that I recently learned was love is a universal solvent. Let me just explain you this. There is nothing in this physical world which will not dissolve in love. You pour love into any kind of situations, be it fear, be it anger, be it your passion, be it anything. It will surely transform proportionally. Number 16 that I learned was to stand for yourself, for who you are, for your ideas, for your purpose, because nobody is going to do for you unless you do it for yourself. Number 17 which I learned was it's always better to open up and express your problems to someone you can trust in, you can open up to, and even if you don't find someone, it's okay. You can at least journal, but it's always better to express instead of just suffering and going into depression alone. Moving on to number 18 is something which I learned at a phase where I struggled to find my kind of people, my tribe, and that's when I realized that you got to be the energy that you want to attract. So now I'm at a happy place and I'm having the kind of people I wished for. The next is to seize the day. So instead of waiting for that one special day, one holiday, or the day of achievement, why not just celebrate each passing day? Because happiness is here and in the now. Number 20 that I learned was conversations are magical. So it's always better to initiate and break the ice because talking about things solves things. The next that I learned was everything in this universe is energy. The situations that you come across, your reality, everything is energy. And this is something that I realized, that everything in this world is connected. So why not just radiate love, happiness and positivity, because that is what will come back again. Moving on to number 22 is to be your own source of happiness, love and energy and not depend on somebody else for all these three aspects, because you deserve to be happy, loved and energized, and suffering is not an option. Last but not the least is I learned that I still have a lot to learn and life's a never-ending school. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!